Time in Tigrinya is gizie. Era is zaman. Century, 100 years. Kufli, zaman, literally a part of the era. Half a century is furqi zaman. 25 years, a quarter of a century.
ربعي زمن.
Year, amet. Month, warhi. Something we don't really have a correspondence for in English. A little over a week and less than 2 weeks. Fourth night would be the closest thing to qine. Week is semu. Another one that doesn't have a correspondence, which means 3 days, is salisti. 1 day is ma'alti. Hour is sa'at. Minute, daqiq. Second, kal'it. Did you know all of them?
Learn Tigrinya on Samay Kids.
The culture is cool.
السيوة بحلقة خبر
زي تحيره كني تمنى كودني بتسبق تبقى